Who doesn't like eating outside food? I really do. So, in this video, I have reviewed top 5 health food outlets with the sole purpose of giving you a guide to eating healthy and choosing healthy outside. So, that is what this video is all about. Because Hi guys, this is Gunjan Parekh. I am a nutritionist and health coach, and I create a lot of interesting content around nutrition, health, and disease management on Instagram and on YouTube. So, if you like this kind of content and you like this particular video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as I will be creating more and more frequent content on YouTube in 2021. So, I would love to have you around. Thank you so much. I really believe that you can't have all your meals cooked at home, right? Because it's sometimes practically not possible, and sometimes you need that break in the routine. So, but when you do that, it's very important that you don't go completely off track from your set healthy habits, eating habits. So that's why this guide will really help you to give you some kind of ideas, tips, inspiration to choosing healthy meals outside. And even if you're not from Mumbai, this guide will help you because most of the dishes are, common dishes which are found in most of the metros in, common food outlets or health food outlets. So, without further ado, let's get started. The very first food outlet I chose to order from was a salad outlet by the name Bombay Salad Co. I know they say that never choose salads from outside, but I would want to tell you two things that I really believe in. First is selecting a good, trustable outlet, and second is trusting your own gut. If you have a healthy gut, it's gonna heal any harmful bugs that might come from a salad, right? The salad I ordered had quinoa falafels, lots of veggies, and a vegan dressing. How is a salad going to fill you up, you ask? Yes, a salad can be a satisfactory meal if you follow few tips which I'm going to tell you now. Number one is choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, soba noodles, or millets. Number two is even if you go off grains, choose a filling protein like tofu, sprouts, or any soy based product. Another tip is even if you choose root vegetables like carrots, beets, sweet potatoes, or potatoes, that's going to make sure that it is a very wholesome bowl and you will be full at the end of the entire experience. The next food outlet I ordered from was Kitchen Garden by Suzette. This place is really famous for its sandwiches made up of sourdough bread, which is a healthier alternative to regular bread. I ordered a sandwich which was a whole wheat sourdough bread sandwich with lots of vegetables and a falafel filling inside. An important guide that I follow while choosing a place to order from or to eat outside is to choose a place which has make your own option, like make your own sandwiches, wraps, salads, etc. Because it gives me the flexibility to choose a meal which then coincides with my healthy eating guideline. This outlet was very famous for its guilt-free desserts as well. So I went in and I ordered a chia pudding, which was made of a blueberry sauce, which was a sugar-free sauce, and oh my god, it was truly heaven, even without sugar. But if you feel like, you can even add jaggery powder to it. The next food outlet that I went in for was Santis Spa Cuisine. It was the most favorite one from the entire list that I have shared with you. They literally have made fast food healthy, and they have a beautiful combination of international cuisine which suits Indian taste buds. So I went in and ordered their favorite item on the menu, that is a farm fresh pizza. It had a thin crust made up of ragi. Now that was something really exciting for me, and it had loads of vegetables, and there was an option to make it vegan and gluten free as well. So I loved the flexibility that this restaurant had to offer. So I really recommend finding a place near you which makes healthy fast food items. When I say fast food, things like burgers, pizzas, fries, pastas, everything is included in that. And find a place which makes these things healthier, which can offer a flexible option to make these things vegan, make these things gluten free, loaded with vegetables, so that you can have a guilt free experience. Next, I was really craving for some desi khana. So the next two food outlets will give you a North Indian and a South Indian food experience. These outlets are very much local to my area, but the purpose of including them here is to help you choose a healthier alternative next time you visit similar outlets in your area. So let's get started with the first one. First, I went for a North Indian, a Rajasthani dish called gatte ki sabzi, and I ordered plain millet rotis, that is jawar rotis, along with it, both from the same outlet. Also, I made it a point that I cut up a salad in the house itself to go with this entire meal. So this becomes a balanced thali. Gatte ki sabzi giving me proteins, jawar roti giving me whole grains, and the salad which is giving me fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So even if it is outside food, I am still having a nutritionally balanced thali. One tip while choosing North Indian food outside is to find a place that serves millet rotis, brown rice, khichdi, etc., and pair it with protein curries like rajma, chole curry, etc. The next place I ordered from was for South Indian cuisine. It's called Authentic Kerala. But do you know that the South Indian food is so much healthy by itself? It has a very famous curry called avial, which has lots of varieties of vegetables and a coconut based gravy. So if we pair it with sambar and brown rice and make some raw salad at home, it would be a perfect balanced meal. Now, you would say that South Indian means always white rice, right? But one trick is to make sure that even if you're having white rice, make sure to have loads of vegetables like raw salads from home, which can sometimes compensate for the lack of fiber in the white rice. I hope this video really gave you some tips, tricks, and guidelines to choose healthy, balanced, and nutritious meals from outside. Thank you so much for listening to me today.